Tucked away in an old Victorian arcade in central London, a toy shop of the future. Alice Taylor and her team of mclaughlin toy makers celebrate their very first pop-up store, opened just for Christmas.
Let's give you actually some blonde hair and some brown eyes.
Customers log on to mclaughlin.com to create their own digital figure for about $150. The designs are sent over the internet to be printed out in 3D in a lab in London. The doll's hair, eyes, and clothes are added later.
So normally products, dolls let's say, are mass manufactured in the Far East and you don't really have a say in how it looks. So they're made in bulk, they come with a lot of shipping miles, and then the ones that aren't sold go straight to landfill usually. These are made locally, each one is unique, special to you, the creator, and there's really no wastage, they're made on demand.
The price of 3D printing has dropped significantly over the past 18 months, allowing for new business and design centers like mclaughlin to take advantage of the technology.
Well, I think most of the manufacturing industry could at some point feel some sort of disruption. Realistically, it's going to be things like toys, dolls, smaller household items that are going to happen first. Things that are fairly simple, not too many moving parts. But over time, there's no reason why this couldn't transform some much more complicated manufacturing industries.
mclaughlin subcontracts out the actual printing to Jonathan Rowley's company, Digits to Widgets. That happens in his basement in central London. The dolls are created using this 3D printing machine. The designs are digitally sliced up, and a laser builds the doll, melting the nylon slice by slice inside the printer.
So once the build has cooled down, we bring the chamber over to this depowdering station. We then start to excavate the parts, rather like an archaeologist. These are all individual, no two are the same.
Rowley uses the same printer to build a range of products, including these designer sunglasses.
These things are happily printed side by side one another. It doesn't make any difference whatsoever.
So in terms of your business model, that makes this very flexible and therefore profitable, because you could be doing many different things at once.
Absolutely, yeah. You don't have to dedicate the machine to one job at a time, unless there's 30 dolls in one go and they demand a full chamber. If they only want 5, then we pack it out with whatever else we have to do. So it means that the machines can be kept very busy on multiple jobs simultaneously.
It's technology that breaks down the barrier between the internet and the real world. So it's much easier for entrepreneurs like Alice Taylor to turn digital ideas into reality. Erin McLaughlin, CNN, London.